I have a lot of things to do, so I thought today I wouldn't do them. I would instead make a video on how to make tissue pom-poms. I'll show you some that I've already made. Hanging up there. We're having a bit of a party, so I'm kind of getting ready for that. It's going to take a little while to get it all sorted. So this is 4 sheets of standard size tissue paper, the kind you get in shop to wrap stuff up. You can buy it online. It's nothing special about it, it's just the ordinary tissue paper. It's a little bit too big, so what you need to do is fold it in half, put a sharp crease down the middle, and then I just use a sharp knife to cut that to size. And then you're going to make concertina folds along the length of that, about 2 to 3 centimetres wide, and make sure you crease them really nicely and firmly, because that will help you in the later stages. So keep going all the way to the end. So you'll eventually get to the end and to put your last fold in, and you'll have what would be a fan if you were going to use it for that, but we're not. We're going to turn it into a tissue pom-pom. So you need to find the midpoint in your little folded fan, because you need to tie it in the middle. And there's lots of different methods of doing this. Some people use florist wire, some use string. I'm using ribbon because I think it'll look nicer when it's hanging up. And tie it quite tightly around the middle. So you'd want to leave a long bit trailing of your ribbon. Just use a short end to tie it up. So tie it as tight as you can without kind of crunching it in the middle. You won't need to crunch it in the middle. There'll be plenty of paper in the middle to hold that nice and firmly. Okay, so now you've got this. And at each end of your folded concertina paper, take a pair of scissors and just cut a rounded sort of shape, because that's going to make like a petal shape in your pom-pom. Just trim it up. And then you have the fun bit. So very carefully, 1 sheet at a time, start peeling away the layers. Might need a little wet finger. Just start peeling away the layers to the middle. Try not to rip it, and you'll see it's starting to form your tissue pom-pom shape. Once you've got one side done, just turn it over and do exactly the same on the other end. You can really see that shape starting to come together now. Okay, I'm nearly there. Doesn't take very long at all. It's quite a relaxing thing to do. This is my last layers I'm peeling apart, and you might notice that you've got a sort of flat shape where you've peeled it. So just spruce your little petals up. Just spruce them up. And there you go. 1 tissue pom-pom. Pretty easy to do really, and quite a lot of fun, and much cheaper than buying them ready-made.